Seedance 2.0 generates cinematic video from any input. Ideas, images, and prompts convert into high-quality AI outputs. The dashboard provides pre-built workflows. Select Lighting Mood Lab to design cinematic lighting for your shot. Enter a unique shot code to uniquely identify each scene, enabling precise organization, version control. Provide a sequence code to logically group related shots. Input the project ID to unify all shots and sequences under a single pipeline, allowing centralized tracking. Paste the plate image URL as the base reference. Verify or adjust the plate image URL to ensure the correct reference is being used, avoiding mismatches and maintaining visual consistency across the output. Define the lighting mood in detail to control tone, contrast, color balance, and atmosphere for a cinematic result. Select the scene type to define the environment and overall context, shaping how lighting interacts with the setting. Choose the CG subject type to tailor lighting behavior based on the subject, ensuring accurate and visually consistent results. Enter the supervisor's email to enable direct delivery, review access, and real-time update notifications. Submit the lighting mood request to initiate processing. Summarize this email for a concise update overview. Select Watch to preview the generated output directly. Download the generated assets from the email. Seedance 2.0 operates as a complete production pipeline. From concept to final output, execution remains automated.